Okay, I got this all cooled down. I cooled it with water. I hate water, but be here all night waiting to cool off any other way. So blew all the holes out, got it all clean. Put it back on the table here. Put the shim stock back in the same spot, same kind of shim, same thickness, same spot. Got the primary cover back where it came from, pretty close. It's about the same direction this way. A little bit further that way, but that's no big deal. Actually, a little bit further this way. I gotta move it down that way. Move it down a little bit, no biggie. Get it roughed in this way. That's close. Okay, now I go ahead and put the indicator in there and spin it around and see if we can do see how close we can get it. Out of the way. Over here. Something moved. All right, 85 that way and 23 that way. So within 23 where we used to be. Okay, 6, 5.5. Too much. 2. Pretty even. Bouncing around a little bit, but we're all right. All right, 1 and 2, zero that out. Let's see, turn the light off, you can see the dial better. So there's the dial there, I don't know if you can see it. Bounce it around 5, it's a little uneven. Not 100% around, but pretty close. Solid 5 there, 5 there, then 5.5 there. About 5 again, bounce up half. Over there about 5 again, so it's pretty much between 5, 5.5. That's pretty close. Okay, now just like before, we're going to go ahead and drop it all the way to the bottom. Check it again. Before we had taper. This time we shouldn't have any taper. Looks like it's repeating pretty good. Bouncing around about a half down more compression, which didn't surprise me. There's more press on the bottom a bit. So there you go. Looks pretty good. Running all up to the very top. Oh, there's a low spot there. Huh, what are we hitting on there? Hitting something there, 5. Some kind of a low spot right there. That's in the steel, not the location. Yeah, but a big hiccup right there too. So my guess when I was pressing it, I pressed extra hard right those 2 spots would be my guess, and caused some issues. All right, so it's oblong slightly on 2 spots. It gets loose. It's pinched in 2 areas right here. It's pinched. Everything else it's pretty close. So the pinches are only just temporary. They're between there and there. So it's not like the whole thing, it's just one little area. It's these two spots here and here. Right, I'm good with that. Okay, now we got to bore this out to put our bearing in. And it's just like before, we get one chance of being right and every chance to be wrong. So, and I left myself about 20 or 30, I think. And there's my phone call. Interruptions. All right, we'll be back.